Well, it's that time again. It's Scrapbooking with Lanita time. I'm Lanita Medina from Camden, Maine, and today I'm going to show you this quick, easy way to organize your larger punches and a few little extras in here. Yes, Kelly and many others, this is for you. So this is called the Tools Organizer. Dun, 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 that's what it is. And it does have all these other dividers because, did I say that right? All these other dividers because it's used for many other things. Today I'm just going to show you this idea. The reason it's so cool is because you can store them in your scrap room like this, or carry them to a retreat like this. And let's say you're going to a retreat, you just leave them in here and you simply turn them like this so that you can see which are the next punches you may want to use, or which is the next one you may want to use. You know, we use 2 or 3 on a page or just one. And there you go, easy and ready to scrap. Okay, so you can see them all. You work with them at your table like this, or put this on a chair. Actually, it's nice that they tilt forward. I'm trying to push them up so you can see them on the video, but normally you're sitting there and you want them towards you so you can see them. What I have here are my 2 favorite. Actually, I usually leave them like this. My square and my circle, because those I use a lot, and I had this extra space. And then the heart and the star, I just like these geometric shapes because they're used a lot. These are the new ones, the triangle and the arrows, and they fit nicely in there. And again, when it's time to use these, you can, because there's more room now, you've stood them up this way, you can literally just put them. Now that doesn't have it that way, does it? That's so funny. This is a new one, so I haven't packed it a lot. I just knew that I wanted it handy. So anyway, they have those on the side. Okay, so here you go. Now you can scrap with these, see which design you want to use. And then, oh no, it's so sad. Scrapbooking time is over. Then what you do is you just simply put them back like this. And I haven't timed myself, but I'll bet it's pretty much like 30 seconds to just put them all back and zip it up. And because I'm in a hurry, no, these have to sit sideways like that. But, or is it like that? There we go. Then you can close it up and carry it. All right. Always want to put your name in it and what's in it. You don't always have to do that, but it's a good idea to put your name in it because, you know, people leave stuff, including me. Also, I have had, I don't remember when these first came out, but I do have my original one, and these never have unstitched, and this is a little heavy, but I can carry it. Oh, you can't see, but I can carry it from the handle, and it is fine. Okay, now, just really quickly, I want to make sure you know the measurements for this. So the dividers that I have here are just 2. And if you want to measure for yourself, by the way, these have Velcro. All of this is Velcro. All of that is Velcro, and these are Velcro. Skinny one is for in here, should you want to divide up something. I don't need to divide that up because I need the little wings to go out. You're going to measure about 6 inches. So from here to here 6, from here to here 6, and your leftover, don't even need to measure, but it is 4 inches. And then here, no dividers. Okay, and that is it. Now, if you were to do something else with this, you would use these other dividers. So go ahead and put them away somewhere where, you know, where you're going to remember where they're at. But if you think like, I'm never going to remember where I put these, you really can just store them underneath here. Okay, I'm just going to show you, because I've done this before too, where I forget where I had them, so I just put them in there. Then they're always there, and I don't need to worry about where I put them. Okay, and this is a little higher, yes, but you know what? It still closes very nicely. There you go. That is that. Easy peasy. Have fun organizing. Happy scrapbooking. This is Lanita Medina from Camden, Maine.